Hey everybody, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace and C. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. I am in my studio and I love it. It's just really my happy place. It's where I create, it's where I invite my clients to come and just feel welcomed and loved and encouraged and trying on beautiful, beautiful styles to transport them into a new look. And I just love being here. And so I've been spending some time. I think I mentioned it to you last time that I've been making some updates, and it is now 99% complete. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. Details matter to me, and so there are a few really silly things that I want to do before I consider it 100% complete. But as you can see, I love flowers. I just think flowers are just so amazing, and there's so much variety and they just bring so much joy. So a lot of fresh flowers in my studio. And so anyway, you'll be seeing pieces of it. Hopefully I can get a professional photographer to take some nice pictures so you can get a sense of what it's like. And if you're in this area in North Carolina, in Cary, North Carolina, you're welcome to come and say hi and check out my space. Today though, I wanted to just talk to you about two really quick things. I've been doing a lot of maintenance on my clients' wigs and my own actually. And there are a few things that I wanted to, that I've recognized that I wanted to be really clear about, so you have a good experience as you do your own maintenance on your rhythm wigs. And one of them is the tangling that comes with having curly hair. I know some of you have the kinky straight. You may not have this issue with the kinky straight, but with the other textures, curly hair is going to tangle. It's not matting. Matting is when you cannot get tangles out. And let me tell you, matting is real. I mean, no matter what you do, short of ripping the hair out, you cannot get it untangled. But curly hair does tangle. And so I have to show you what I do when I see excessive tangling, that the softness of the wet brush doesn't get out, or it just takes a longer time to get it out with the soft bristles of the wet brush. So I wanted to show you how to deal with that using one of my own wigs. I wear it all the time, and so I'll show you. And then the other thing is on using shampoo on the wigs. I've mentioned before that I prefer using the cleansing conditioner that I get from Horizon, but you can use shampoo. But I want to show you a technique that really minimizes how tangled it gets while it's being shampooed. Okay, so I'm just going to do it on camera. I'm not going to take you into the bathroom today, but I'll show you what I mean here. Okay, so this is one of my favorite. It's so natural looking. Okay, so this part I've already untangled, and what I use is this, I always call this the wrong thing, rat tail comb. There we go. And you all, you know, you get 2 of these with every Rhythm Wigs order, so you should have these ready to do this. And what I do is when I see this part is already untangled, okay, looks just like our own hair, and I'm gonna work on this part that's still a little tangled, and I'm just gonna use the comb and go through it. Just gently, just go through it. Let me hold this way so you can, okay? So I'm just gonna go through it just like that, from the root all the way down, I'm sorry, from the tip all the way down to the root, okay? That's all you do. And this you do while it's dry. You can do it before you start shampooing it. And you just go through little by little and take the tangles out like that, okay? Real easy, just using this tool, okay? And this is what it would look like. This is a kinky curly, so it's a really tight curl. All right, and when you wash it, the curls will come right back, okay? Just like our own natural hair. All right, so that's one tip. And the other thing, in terms of shampooing, get yourself a bowl like this, okay? I got a lot of these from the dollar store, and I use them. I'm still struggling with where to look. And I use these for my maintenance services. And you see, it's just one of these, very inexpensive. So what you do is when you are getting ready to do a maintenance on your wig and you want to shampoo it, or with the shampoo, you fill this with tepid water. We don't use hot water. I would say lukewarm water is fine. And put your shampoo in the bowl and then put the water in, swish it around so it gets sudsy, and then put your wig in and just squeeze it through. Like I've showing you video after video. You're not going to do any of this, okay? You're just going to take the wig and you're going to squeeze it down, squeeze it down, squeeze it down, okay? And you can put it back in and then squeeze it down. That's how you're going to do it. No wringing, no twisting. It's not necessary, and it will create a big mess. You don't want to do that. Be gentle with these, okay? They're going to last a long time. You just have to take care of them the way that they need to be taken care of. If you do use shampoo, the other thing that I would recommend is after you have rinsed it, okay, you can either do it under running water, or you can use the same bowl, make sure all the shampoo is out, rinse it out, and then fill it with water, and then put your wig back in, and then squeeze it down, and do that a few times until all the suds are out, okay? After that, I would put the conditioner on, a good amount of conditioner, put that all the way through like I've shown you in the past, and then use the wet brush on it with the conditioner in, okay? It'll just give it a little more slippage is what people call it, but it just coats the strands of hair so that it will detangle much easier, okay? Those are my 2 tips for today. I'm trying to make these videos shorter unless I have to make them long. I don't mind long videos. I hope you don't. They're really just for the purposes of showing you all the detailed steps that you need to know, but I don't want to make them long if I don't have to. So anyway, that's what I have for you today. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful week. I plan to, and it's just going to be a super busy week for me, but I'd rather be busy than bored. All right, guys, see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.